Step one in installing an extractor in a G41 or a G43 is clean your bloody workbench. All right, so my G41 was missing its extractor. I think it was cannibalized to another rifle that probably looked more promising, but I needed another one. So I ordered an extractor assembly from Frontline Militaria in the Netherlands. They make amazing, amazing high quality G41 and G43 rifle parts. Since the G43 and the G41 extractor assemblies are identical, I got their G43 assembly and I'm going to install it in my bolt group. So let's do that. So as you can see, there's no extractor there. So I'm going to have to install a new one. I cleaned my workbench off because I'm dealing with really small parts. This is the actual extractor, this is the extractor screw, and then this is the extractor spring. And they all go in there. So there's a specific way of doing this. I can't remember exactly how, but let's just see here. This should just go right. Yep, look at that. This is why I love Frontline Militaria. I've bought a number of reproduction parts for my build already, and all of Frontline's parts are impeccably made, impeccably machined, and they just work perfectly right out of the box. I just can't speak highly enough of them. One of the joys of working on this G41 project is that I have access to the best literature available out there on the G41. This is Rough Forged, Volume 1, page 168. And I'm taking a look here because it looks like the original extractors were blued and the bolts were in the white, which is good to know because if the extractor was in the white, I would polish off the bluing so that it wouldn't stick out like a sore thumb. But it does look like it was an originally blued part, so it'll age a little bit as the weapon is fired and functioned. So I think I'm just going to leave it alone as it is. I don't think there's any other pictures. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's definitely darker than that in the white bolt. So I think I'm just going to leave it as it is. It works.